I'm Dave Sess.
And I'm Erica Thomas. Thanks for joining us here on Fox Youngstown for election results an hour earlier than anywhere else from WKBN 27.
Now, the idea of smoking marijuana legally in Ohio has been snuffed out. First News gave you the result about 15 minutes ago as breaking news on TV and through our mobile app.
Now let's take a look at the latest numbers. 65% of voters are saying no to legalizing marijuana in the state. We're getting in about 57% of reports right now, with nearly 1,311,000 voters saying no to that issue. Now, right now, recreational marijuana is only legal in 4 states: Washington, Colorado, Alaska, and Oregon, and Ohio won't be joining that short list.
Well, that issue was defeated heavily here in Columbiana, Mahoning, and Trumbull County. Of course, it was a heated topic around the Buckeye State as well. And
27 First News reporter Jerry Ricciuti is live tonight at the Mahoning County Board of Elections to tell us why it failed. Jerry?
Good evening, everyone. We're at the Mahoning County Board of Elections, where a combination of issues has slowed down the count, whether it was write-ins done locally in the Struthers mayor's race, as well as the Youngstown Board of Education, as well as computer issues around the state that kept the local officials from releasing figures. But we have heard, as you've known by now, that the statewide issue 3 that would have allowed the cultivation and sale of marijuana has failed. One of those who was opposed to that passing, Mahoning County Sheriff Jerry Green. Your thoughts initially? Just it apparently has failed, as Associated Press tells us now.
Yeah, I haven't quite heard the numbers yet. You know, everything we saw, and with the amount of money that was dumped into this by the investors, obviously, to get issue 3 passed, we thought it was going to be a little bit closer than it actually turned out, from what I understand. I think, speaking for all law enforcement, we're a little bit relieved of this, because I don't think this was the direction that any of us wanted to take this state, you know.
Had this gone the way you didn't want to see it, what kind of problems might that have created for law enforcement?
Well, it was everything that we've seen has been happening in Washington State and happening in Colorado. You know, increase with marijuana, OVI deaths, increase in work-related problems, sick abuse, increase with the younger getting addicted, adolescent addiction. There were all kinds of problems that we've seen from other states. So this is something that, at least myself, I can speak for, that it's a little bit of a sigh of a relief that this hasn't gone this way.
All right, Mahoning County Sheriff Jerry Green, thank you for joining us. We will have much more coming up throughout this hour, as well as at 11 o'clock tonight. For now, live at the Mahoning County Board of Elections, I'm Jerry Ricciuti.